Today I'm going to share my code which covers all topics in JavaScript. First, let us see a variable declaration. Let and constant are used to declare variables. Name and age and each student are basic data types like string, number, and boolean. Hobbies is an array. Like we have user is an object that groups related data. And this let constant are like data types. Let is a data type which stores every value. And second one is like function. Here we declare a function by using function. Here we use function greet. Greet is like a traditional function that returns a greetings. Add, like we see here, we add is an arrow function that adds two numbers. Here we returns hello in a format person. It returns a hello and that the person's name, which passes to a string. Here, after that, we are using looping statements like if. In this, if the age is greater than 18, that console log prints adult, else it's a minor. If else is like a checking condition, and here under we use a for loop. Here for loop iterates from that initialization. This is called an initialization. This is updation. This is termination. Next topic is like arrays and methods. In this, we use just like numbers. Suppose numbers is a name of an array. Map creates a new array by applying a function to each element. Double Here double is like a keyword which increases like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here next topic is like objects and classes. Animal is a class with a constructor and a method. This is known as constructor. And dog extends animal override the speak method. Demonstrates inheritance and polymorphism. Here class animal is like a name of that class. Here it here this code is about like a example of an objects class. Here console.log this name returns the name of that person. Here a string name is like a string. Here it returns the name of a animal. Here let dog is a variable which calls new dog and passes the string argument like buddy. Here it returns a console.log with his buddy and buddy barks. Here another concept comes where it's nothing but a scope and closures. Here, countermaker returns a function that remembers counts. This is a closure, the inner function that retains access to the outer scope. Here is an example for that. Here, the next concept is about asynchronous in JavaScript. Here, it fetches data, simulates a delayed operation using promise. Load data uses async and wait to handle the promise. This is how you can handle asynchronous tasks like API calls. Here, the next concept is like array handling. Here, we use try catch method. Like example, when we divide a number with 0, it returns a infinity, which is an exceptional case. Then we use a try catch method. Here try throws a new error, oops, and catch method is used to print the went wrong. Try catch handles runtime error gracefully. Though creates a custom error. Here the next concept about like JSON. Here it is like another feature about ES6 plus features. Distracting and extract values from arrays and objects. Spread operators copies and extends objects. Here the next concept is about regular expressions. Here letrex is like this keyword is used for matches one or more digits and test checks if the string contains digits. And here another concept comes here date and time. Here it gives a present date. The date objects gets current date and time. And to look at string, format it for display. And then the next concept is like design pattern singleton. Ensures only one instance of an object is created. Common configuration of lodging systems. Here the code. Here like let now equal to new data, new date, and console.log current time now to look at string. Here it gives the exact date and time of that of today. Here it's a design pattern. Here we use a constant singleton and calls the function. Here finally when we run this code, the output comes like this. Just wait one second. Here, finally, this is the output. Here it returns user like name Alice, age 25, is student room. Yeah. And under here it's formats hello Alice. And the function returns a 8. And if condition returns adult. And next one is a hobby. And here are some hobbies and double. Which doubles the number. And here it's like a buddy box which returns. It's all like it's a try catch method and every concept is covered here. And thank you.